What's up, Hanley?
I'm watching.
How's the phone?
Fuck.
Fuck?
Yeah. Turns on, none of the keys work, then turned off.
Really? Blackberry.
Making them every day.
That's right, fella. No worries. That was fucking close.
Lately I've just been working, writing. Haven't really got out the crib too much. As I spend another night without a single thing to do, set writing down this music I proceed to bring to you. My man Billy hit me up, he got some weed he bringing through. Tell him better be that good and grab a pack of swishes too. That's what usually happens, deserve some cool relaxing. Smoking urban, laughing and curb your enthusiasm. I'm just a regular kid at my crib, doing regular shit, burning 5 spliffs. I'm so high, another night alone, so I'ma pour another cup and roll another zone. I'm gone, you ain't gon' bring me back, so gone, couldn't tell you where I'm at. Maybe New York, Philly, maybe Pittsburgh. You wanna find me, hit me on Twitter.